Most people attack this kind of question the wrong way. They stare at the missing number, look at the answer choices, and start guessing. Strong test takers do the opposite. They ignore the answers at first and search for the rule. Try that here. Do not guess. Find the pattern.
Consider 3 triangles. First triangle has number 6 in the middle, and then numbers 3, 2, and 1 on the outside. Second triangle has number 12 in the middle, and then numbers 2, 4, and 6 on the outside. Third triangle has number 17 in the middle, and then numbers 5, 7 on the outside. And in the bottom right corner, there's a missing number, which you need to calculate and select your answer out of 4 possible choices. A3, B5, C7, or D10. Can you try to solve it on your own and choose the right answer? This question has an easy answer, though many overlook it, but I'm pretty sure you're not one of those people. To understand the answer, let's assign letters to each section of the triangle, A, B, C, and D. And the pattern here is that sum of all the outside numbers equals the inside number. A plus B plus C equals D. Let's verify this pattern with the first triangle. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. Do you still have doubts? Let's look at the second triangle. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 12. And now it's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 5 plus the missing number plus 7 equals 17. 17 minus 12 equals 5. And the correct answer here is choice B, 5.
If you got it right, the important question is not what was the answer. It is what the strategy did you use. This is what helps you on your next question. In fact, I have more assessment style questions on this channel, including longer videos for aptitude tests, logical reasoning, and cognitive ability tests. Watch one more to see if you can recognize the next pattern faster.